In this video, we are going to look at using simple random sampling technique with a random number table, but with a little bit of a twist because we realized that with the last example, we had to look at a lot of different numbers in order to get a sample of 6. And sometimes you don't have enough time for that, and sometimes you might have a random number table that isn't really conducive to that in an efficient type of way. So what you could do is a little bit of a shortcut is use a range of values instead of just one value to represent each item on the list. And some things that are really important when you're doing this is to make sure that each item on the list has the same range of values. So in this case, I know that if I choose 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, or 0, 5, then that is going to correspond with the veggie tray selection. So now I have a larger chance of getting the veggie tray, but I'm going to make sure that I adjust all of my ranges so that I have a larger chance of actually getting every item on the list. And simple random sample, it still fits the criteria of every single thing on the list is going to have an equal chance of being selected. We still do the same thing. Since we have 2-digit numbers, then we're using 2-digit numbers each and every step of the way, including when we're looking at the number table and we're looking at 2 digits at a time, starting with the first 2. I will say that I arbitrarily chose to use 6 values for each item on the list because I didn't want to have to use 3 digits. So I chose to do something that would end close to 100, but didn't get me above 100 or to 100, so that I didn't need to use 3 digits because that just starts to get crazy. So we are going to just look at our number table, and the first thing we see is 73. 73 corresponds to the value of brownies. So if I see a 72 through a 77, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, or 77 from now on, I'm going to skip it because I've already chosen brownies. So the next item is 73, so I'm going to skip that here because we already have it. We already chose brownies. So then the next one is 54. And within the 54 range, we have a good old pigs in a blanket. The next one's 59, so we're going to skip 59 because we already chose pigs in a blanket, and we get ourselves to 63, which selects dirt pudding for us to take to this party. Our next value is 78, and we did not choose 78 yet, so that's our cookies. So 78 through 83 are now values that we don't want to repeat. The next value is 13. We have our onion dip, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we just need one more value. It looks like our next value is 46. So we're taking kielbasa to this party.